our next question at this point. Rama? Rama, say something?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So, one question each for Makkal Selvan and Aparna. இந்த சீரீஸில் நீங்கள் தமிழில் டைலாக்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லை ஹிந்தியில் தான் பேசுகிறீங்களா இதில்?
Sir, I'm a Tamil guy in the series. I speak here and there only maybe 5-6 words. That's all. But generally I speak in Hindi only fully.
தமிழில் நீங்கள் டப் பண்ணலையா எனக்கு?
Sir, I didn't get time, sir. I was continuously I have a shoot, sir, so I didn't get time, sir. நேரம் கிடைக்கல, தொடர்ந்து ஷூட் இருந்தனால என்னால் பண்ண முடியல. நான் அதனால் சொன்னேன், ஏன்னா ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆகும் ஒரு சீரீஸ் ஃபுல்லாக டப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ அது 8 எபிசோட்ஸ் டப் பண்ணும், என்கிட்ட அது நேரம் இல்லை. ஸோ அதனால் நான் மன்னிப்பு கேட்டுக்கொண்டேன், மன்னிக்கவும்.
இல்லை ஏன்னா உங்கள் ஆடியன்ஸ் வந்து தமிழில் உங்களை
அதான் சார் உண்மை தான் சார், ஆனால் அதை எதிர்பார்க்கல, அதனால் முடியாமல் போயிடுச்சு சார், வேறு ஒன்றும் இல்லை.
अच्छा अपर्णा, आप कैसे कर लेते हैं आप? मतलब एक शो आया, बड़ा शो आया, फिर से राज और डीके को लेकर आए आप, वो भी फैमिली मैन भी एफ से शुरू होता है, फर्जी भी एफ से ही शुरू होता है. हाउ डू यू कम अप विथ सच एन ensemble cast every time, and it's a pan India cast every time that you guys do it?
There you go.
Like I was saying, my job is to constantly be on a lookout for good stories that are differentiated and compelling and exciting. And I think by now we have a relationship, as Raj and DK were mentioning earlier. We're constantly talking to each other, finding out what's brewing in their head. But really, our job is to constantly look for stories. And I've always said that stories that are in the hands of really, really passionate creators, if you have that, half your job is done. And once you have a great story, once you have a story which is as compelling as this, no actor would like to say no to it, as we've just heard. It's really it's the story that we go for.
Thank you so much for that. I hope you're happy. What happened to your finger? ओह, मुझे पता है आप इतने स्मार्ट हो. अगला सवाल.
इतना कूल है इनका ये मिडिल फिंगर, आप दिखाओ ना एक बार. मैंने ये ना मेरा मिडिल फिंगर के साथ कुछ पुराना रिश्ता है, मैं कई बार दिखा चुका हूँ.
मिडिल फिंगर क्लास है आप.
All right, Rashi, question for you. And this one is, of course, coming to you from Dina Malar. Meenakshi wants to ask you this question. Talk to us about your on-screen persona and what it is like, what it's doing in a crime thriller show, and, of course, how you built it.
So, as I spoke about my character, Megha, she's an epitome of a modern woman in a man's world. And for me, half the job was done because of the way it was written, the layers that it was given. And I just had to come and play that part. And I think, honestly, I really want to thank Raj and DK sir for presenting me the way that they've presented me, because I don't think I have played such a character ever before that is so raw, relatable, passionate, extremely real. That is why I said that you will root for her and you will be happy in her small victories. So yes, I think it will definitely create a shift in the way the audience has seen me even back in the South. So that's an added cap, and I'm very, very happy to have played her. Thank you.
So am I. Thank you. Congratulations again. Tanmay, you have a question?
Sushan, I have a question for you.
Yes.
So on Amazon, I'll have upped the music game with Majama and other shows and films. So as Farzi is also has a racy music. So what's your future plan in terms of music for the series, shows, films?
I think our job first and foremost is finding, as Aparna said, finding great storytellers who are looking to tell a great story and really enabling them. So we think of music as how can this help further the story itself and how we narrate the story. So it's really integral to how we talk about developing a show, working with creators like Raj and DK. As long as we find great stories and if music is inherent to how the story can be progressed, we love it. And as you said, we have had some amazing shows and movies over the years on Prime Video that have had music as an integral part, and that's really helped them. And that's really helped audiences as well. So, we are big on it, and I must say it again because you said it. The music in Farzi is absolutely smashing.
Thank you so much. Let me add to that. Bandish Bandits, Majama, Modern Love, 4 more shots. You guys are not stopping, huh? So, congratulations. All right, Shahid, there's a question for you. Hopefully, Farzi nahi hai aap, Shivojit hai aap. Arey, wow, miracle.
The team is fantastic, and I think it's really OG content coming from you guys. So first of all, congratulations. I'm Shubhajit from IWM Buzz. My question is to Shahid. I think you mentioned some time back that the concept had come to you 8 years back. And at that point of time, you didn't really, like the bandwidth for making it into a web series wasn't really there because the concept only was not in that favor. Now you can do it. So 8 years is actually quite a long time. The world has changed in terms of COVID and all. So I'm sure in terms of ideations as well, a lot of new things have been incorporated in the project. So what are those new things and elements that you have had to do because of that 8 years gap? And also, what were your preparations for this?
Are you asking me how the story kind of evolved and changed over the period of time? I think that question would be better for Raj and DK because they've developed it. I had the good fortune of hearing most of it. So, would you guys want to?
Yeah, I mean, see, when we were writing the initial script itself, we knew it was too big a world we were taking on, and there was only one format, feature films, and we are feature filmmakers. So any story we have, we get, Sita and Suman, when we discuss, we come up with an idea, it automatically tries to fit it into a feature film. That's what we were trying to do. But thankfully, there is a much bigger window the last few years where we can express or narrate a story much wider, deeper, longer, more layered. So hence, I think this is a much better fit for this story.
Yeah, and speaking of how the story would have adapted over the years, a lot of things have changed. So a strange anecdote for us, at one point when we were back in mid-2000, around 2014 or so, we had this idea in the story that the only way to battle counterfeiting is to invalidate these notes. And so we had this plot point in it. And then guess what happened 2 years later? That happened in real life. And we're like, okay, maybe that's a sign. Now we should go relook at the script and start, incorporating that part of it into our story. So it kind of became like a art meets reality meets art kind of a scenario.
Shahid, you want to add about your preparations?
Well, I kind of already spoke to Bhavna while she was in the loo regarding my preparations. Maybe you were also in the loo. But like I said, I spent a lot of time with them talking about the content and for me, a lot of the preparation happens in those conversations and I like to engage as early as possible in case I have the opportunity. And doing different types of content, I mean, I was doing Kamine in 2007, 2008, so I'm always looking for content which is different and not necessarily boxed into being, the mainstream, typical, commercial, boring, nothing excited about it kind of. I'm always looking to do something which kind of shakes it up, and this was totally up that alley. So I just jumped on it, man.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Aditi from News 18, are you with us?
I can't.
You want to say something on a mic?
Yeah.
Don't tap it, just say something into it.
Hello.
Yeah, wonderful.
Hi, Amol sir, this side. Yeah, I'm Aditi from News 18. So,
Going to stand up?
sir, here. Yeah. So, you'll be seen on the screen after a really long time. So, kaisa tha overall experience? And as Shahid and Rashi earlier mentioned that you are the heart of the show. So, please talk to us about it.
It's very kind of all of them to say that I'm heart of the show. But actually mine is almost like a guest appearance. Having said that, what was fascinating to watch and to be part of the whole shooting process was DK and Raj I have noticed even in the past and while shooting, I noticed it even more. You know, they are creating something larger than life. They are creating something which is heightened drama. And to sustain it for such a long time requires a complete command over the craft. But the interesting part of it was, while creating the heightened drama, everybody, the performances and everything was not heightened. All the characters, all the performances are, when you see the actual product, you will realize that what is usually called as underacting. Everybody is underacting, and that combination of a heightened drama with underacting is so fascinating. And I thoroughly enjoyed that because I think that's my turf.
No, because you taught us this. Let's not shy away from that. Thank you. You gave us this language in cinema. So thank you, sir, for that.
And
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'd like to add to it. He said he has a guest appearance in the show. I feel he has the guest of honor appearance.
Whoa.
It seats everything.
Can I add to that?
Thank you so much.
Because we're having fun. Guest appearance nahi, best appearance hai.
Whoa.
याद रखेगा. I
हाय
hope-
शाहिद, आपके ठीक
Hi.
सामने.
Hi.
हाय मैडम, हाय.
Sir, go for it. Shahid.
हाय शाहिद. शाहिद, इन दिनों हमारी मार्केट में बहुत सारे फर्जी एक्टर आ गए जो हूबहू आपकी तरह दिखते हैं और आपकी तरह उनके बाल हैं, हेयर स्टाइल है, आपकी तरह वो वीडियो बनाते हैं और बहुत सारा फर्जी पैसा कमाते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए शाहिद क्या कहेंगे?
हम लोग ने बहुत सारे काउंटरफीट नोट बनाए हैं इस फिल्म के अंदर. उन सबको आप वो नोट्स भेज सकते हैं. रियल शायद, फिलहाल मैं फर्जी हूँ ब्रदर. 10th Feb तक मैं फर्जी हूँ.
और ऐसा कौन नहीं दिखना चाहेगा, ये भी तो बात है. सर, ऐसा कौन नहीं दिखना चाहेगा, ये भी तो बात है.
कौन नहीं दिखना चाहेगा?
कोई नहीं ऐसा जो नहीं दिखना चाहेगा.
Good.
Anybody?
शाहिद,
Hi. Hi, ma'am. Yes. जरा इनकी माइक.
हॅलो 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 नमस्कार. माझा प्रश्न अमोल सरांना आहे. ट्रेलर खूप छान झालं आहे, सगळ्या टीमचं अभिनंदन. खरं तर सर, तुम्ही मगाशी म्हणालात की शाहिद आणि तुम्ही खूप छान काम केलं आहे किंवा तुम्ही खूप गप्पा मारायचात. तुमचं आणि शाहिदचं कधी मराठी संभाषण झालं आहे का सेटवर? ह्याचं उत्तर शाहिदने पण द्यावं असं मला वाटतं.
नाही, मराठीत संभाषण नाही झालं, पण आम्ही एकाच पद्धतीची भाषा बोलतो. हे जे मी म्हटलं, त्याची ॲक्टिंग स्टाईल, माझी ॲक्टिंग स्टाईल आणि सगळ्यांचीच ॲक्टिंगचं जे टेक्स्चर आहे ते एकच आहे. त्यामुळे आमचा जो डायलॉग असायचा तो त्या लेवलचा असायचा, अँड इट वॉज अ प्लेजर.
आणि शाहिद, तुला काय मराठीत बोलायचं आहे का? कारण का मराठी देखील पत्रकार आहेस, सो तुला मराठीत काय बोलायचं आहे?
मुझे अभी मराठी में बोलना है?
येस.
यार तू बोल देती, पहले मैं प्रिपेयर करके आ जाता. मेरे साथ 2-3 घंटा बिता लेती, मैं तेरे से नोट्स ले लेता सारे. अभी मुझे क्यों फंसा रही है? ऐसे मत कर यार.
But it's beautiful, right? One stage we heard Tamil, you're hearing Marathi, we're hearing English, Hindi. This is truly what they call pan-India. This is that show, guys. This is that show.
We can
Woohoo.
talk in Telugu as well.
And Telugu as well. Fantastic. All right, there's another question. Oh, you have a mic? Yes, sir. बोलिए ना.
शाहिद, योर सेंटर राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल राशि से भी है और आपसे भी कॉमन क्वेश्चन है. सबसे पहले तो आपके 20 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में और राशि के 10 साल.
वो मेरे 10 हुए नहीं है, बट ठीक है.
मद्रास कैफे.
ऐसे बोल देता यार तू कि आपने 20 साल पूरे करे थे. आज आपके 20 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं. आप पुराने हो चुके हैं एकदम.
सवाल ये था कि इतने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और हम आज सब लोग फर्जी के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे पहुंचे हैं. फर्जी की बात हो रही है तो फ़र्ज़ के बारे में बात न करें तो फर्जी बुरा मान जाएगी. तो इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस में किस तरह का कोई कभी नाता रहा है आपका फ़र्ज़ और फर्जी दोनों का? कुछ एक्सपीरियंस आपका. राशि, आप भी कभी फ़र्ज़ से पाला पड़ा हो या फर्जी से?
फर्ज से पाला?
हाँ, मतलब फ़र्ज से वार्ता, इस तरह का कोई भी
फर्जी से पाला?
जी, दोनों से.
इन वर्ड से
जी
वाला?
जी कभी वार्तालाप हुआ ऐसा, कभी फर्ज निभाने का मौका मिला हो
बहुत
ऐसा?
कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन है, हमारा शो भी ऐसी डीप कॉम्प्लेक्स मल्टी डिमेंशनल है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
फ़र्ज़ के बारे में, फ़र्ज़ का मतलब ड्यूटी होता है।
जी जी इंडस्ट्री में
जो भी हमारे रिश्ते नाते होते हैं ज़िंदगी में, उनकी तरफ हमें अपनी ड्यूटी निभानी होती है। कर्मा धर्मा वही होता है ना, कर्म से रिलेशंस मिलते हैं और रिलेशंस की तरफ आपका धर्म होता है, तो ये हो गया फ़र्ज़ का।
और फर्जी कभी फील हुआ हो इंडस्ट्री में कि फर्जी कुछ ऐसा?
फ़र्ज़ी कुछ ऐसा मतलब क्या फ़र्ज़ी है?
कभी ऐसा लगा हो एक्सपीरियंस में कभी कि मेरे साथ फर्जी हो गया या मैंने किसी के साथ कर दिया?
मैंने किसी के साथ फ़र्ज़ी कर दिया?
ऐसा कभी?
एक तो फ़र्ज़ी ये वर्ड ऐसे सेंटेंस में कभी यूज़ नहीं होता है कि फ़र्ज़ी हो गया, फ़र्ज़ी कर दिया। फ़र्ज़ी एक चीज़ होती है, दैट दिस थिंग इज़ नॉट रियल। तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो जो नॉट रियल है? 20 साल से हम नॉट रियल फिल्में बना रहे हैं और लोग उसे रियल मान लेते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा क्या फ़र्ज़ी हो सकता है?
देखिए शाहिद ने आपको जवाब दे दिया, अभी इसमें मैं क्या ऐड कर सकती हूँ?
नहीं, आप 10 साल पुरानी हो गई हैं, कुछ बताइए उनको उसके बारे में।
देखिए फर्स्ट योर ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स योर फैमिली, टुवर्ड्स एवरीबडी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू मीन बाय फर्ज रियली. आई मीन दैट्स द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट. फर्जी is, as he said, is a thing. कुछ फर्जी है तो I don't know the relationship. I'm not understanding what to say in this.
कुछ ऐसे मतलब कभी तुमने एक नकली फर्जी विग पहन ली हो या
पहनी है.
कोई ऐसे फेक टाइप का फर्जी आदमी तुम्हारी लाइफ में आ गया हो, उसका
I
आज
think
मूड है, वो इस मूड में आया कि मैं ऐसा कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा। लॉजिक के पीछे मत भागो, मूड समझो इंसान का।
It's a question, of course, way more fun than the show. So,
can I try to answer your question? I think all of us will agree on that our farz, our duty is to give 100% in whatever we are giving, whatever we are doing, and Farzi is not doing that.
wow. Last two questions at this point.
Rohini, hi. Pooja here from Awesome TV.
Pooja,
Hi.
I was missing you, yeah?
Miss you too, yeah.
Pooja, who's your question for?
For Bhuvan, firstly, congratulations to the entire team.
Thank
The
you.
trailer looks simply awesome. Bhuvan,
Thank you.
you know, जब दोस्ती की बात होती है तो we all have a friend जिसके साथ हम crime करते हैं, and that's why we call partner in crime. तो आपकी शाहिद के साथ ऐसी ही कुछ bonding नजर आ रही है. So tell us something about your chemistry with Shahid because you are playing partner in crime.
सो आयरॉनिकली आपने हिंदी में सवाल पूछा तो मैं हिंदी में जवाब देता हूँ। ये पहली बार नहीं है जब शाहिद भाई और मैं मिल रहे हैं। मुझे याद है मैं बैक इन द डे FTI में पढ़ता था जब, तो मैं नया मेरा एडमिशन हुआ था और मेरी रैगिंग चल रही थी, हेल्दी रैगिंग। और सर वहाँ पे कमीने शूट करने आए थे इनकी फिल्म, और मेरी पूरी रैगिंग इन्होंने पीछे खड़े होके देखी। तो मुझे जब मैं इनसे पहली बार मिला तो मैंने बोला कि भाई वी मेट बिफोर, तो इन्होंने पहले मुझे ऐसे बोला ऑफ कोर्स ब्रो ऑफ कोर्स। तो मैंने बोला आपको लेकिन याद नहीं होगा। उन्होंने बोला नहीं मुझे याद है। मैंने कहा अच्छा कहाँ मिले? तो बोला कि मैंने बोला कि आपने मेरी रैगिंग पूरी एनकाउंटर की थी और आपने पूरे मज़े लिए थे इसके। एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर फर्स्ट डे ऑन द सेट आई रिक्वेस्टेड हिम, लिटरली आई सेड कि भाई आप जो भी करेंगे यू आर मच मोर एक्सपीरियंस देन मी, आपको मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा पता है चीज़ों के बारे में, और अगर आपको कहीं पे लगता है कि मैं गलत हूँ सो डोंट हेजिटेट टू स्कोल्ड मी, डोंट हेजिटेट कुछ भी बोलने में, मैं बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं मानूंगा। और प्लीज़ मुझे आप अपने छोटे भाई की तरह समझिए, आप मुझे समझिए कि आप ईशान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं। एग्जैक्टली मैंने ये वर्ड्स बोले थे शाहिद भाई को, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल ही ओब्लाइज्ड। और आज तक मुझे अभी भी याद है कि एक दिन तो इस नौबत पे आ गई थी जब मेरे गाल पे मेकअप ठीक नहीं हो रहा था, तो इन्होंने ब्रश हाथ से लेके खुद से मेकअप करना शुरू कर दिया। सो ही वॉज सो केयरिंग एंड सो ही ऑलवेज हैज़ वॉच्ड आउट फॉर मी। एंड टिल डेट इफ़ आई फील दैट आई एम अ लिटिल क्लूलेस, मेरे को किसी चीज़ को लेके समझ में नहीं आ रहा, नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द शो, I think that I share that bond with them, that relationship with them, where I can, you know, just message him and I call him and कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे फंस गया हूँ, tell me मैं क्या करूँ, and he still answers and he still, you know, gives me the right guidance, which I feel I'm really blessed to have an elder brother figure in Shahid bhai, and yeah.
Thanks Bhuvan, thank you so much. There's a question for Vijay sir at this point.
From Screen Graphia. Just want to know that I had seen all your films, solo, single-handedly, you had carried the films very well. On the box office, success also says the same. But when you go for a multi-star cast or maybe for a parallel lead, don't you feel insecure? What thought process do you have when you go for those kind of roles?
See, the films I have acted, there are so many actors. That is also multi-stars only. So you are comparing only the other stars and multi-stars. So actors, I respect Amul sir, and I saw Bhuvan's work. So he's also a very good actor. So not only Shagit. So there are a lot of actors, and then I become and then art is a place where we are not here to compete with our co-actors. We are just collaborating and working. So it is not a win-win situations. No, there is no. It's a sharing and learning, and that's how life should be. That's why I don't believe in winning a competition. I like a game. I don't want the game should be end in life. So it's like playing a game is interesting. It's a winning or losing. It'll end the game. So that's how I believe. Then I was a hero in 2010, and then I was doing my film called Naduvula Konja Pakatakaman Pizza. That time, one of 96 director Prem was doing a film with the actor called Sasikumar sir. So they need a character for a villain. So I recommended a few of my friends who tried chances with me. They don't like them. And then I said, narrate a story to me. If I like it, I'll come and do it for you. So that was my third film. And even the director asked me, really you want to do? You already did 3 films. So I didn't have insecurity that time also when I was entering the films. So I never had that insecurity with anybody because I want to work with super, fantastic, very talented actors so that I can learn. So everything you can't learn and come. It's like life is throwing an experience ball. You just throw and he'll throw you. Then it's like sharing your thoughts. So I love to work with the quiet film, with multi-stars film, and I did so many multi-stars films also. So I love working and I enjoy it. Thanks.
Thank you so much for your questions. You've been a wonderful audience. At this point, of course, thank you and wish you all the best for Farzi, 10th of February. It's going to be a party, guys. Congratulations. I'd like, of course, to request our friends from the press, one more opportunity for photographs. So could I please request my star cast to kindly step forward? Yes, we shall take the chairs away. Thank you. Yes. दादा मुझे 2 मिनट दीजिए ये चेयर आपके लिए हम हटा रहे हैं May we ask the star cast to step forward, please? May we ask the cast to step forward, please? Yes. Can we have Shahid sir and Vijay sir to step forward, please? Now we'll do solos. Can I please request Shahid sir and Vijay sir to step forward one after the other? Whoever wants to go first. Vijay sir. Vijay sir, a solo. Thank you. Thank you, Shahid. Can I please request Rashi to step forward for a solo? Thank you. Can I please request Bhuvan to step forward for a solo? Thank you, Bhuvan. Amol sir, like to request Amol sir to step forward as well. Thank you, Amol sir. Can I please request Raj and DK to step forward as well? Thank you, Amol sir. Thank you so much. Zala, can I please request Sita and Suman to join us? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Each and every one of you, don't forget Farzi on the 10th of Feb only on Prime Video. Chala, yete mi, betuya, namaskar, bye bye, good night. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just when we thought, देखो ये फर्जी एग्जिट था फर्जी एग्जिट था दोबारा से आपको शायद यही पे पूरे दिन रहना पड़ेगा we'll decide to do more and more photos as we feel like after lunch we'll do 2 no yeah this is amazing any more are we doing any more Vijay sir he's gone okay I think we can now safely say that we are done I think so thanks I think